Hey guys! So it was so good to see you guys today during our small group meeting on Zoom today. We talked about a lot of different shapes and a lot of different things dealing with these shapes. So I just wanted to make a little video to remind us so that we know what we said about these shapes. We decided to choose 3 different shapes to talk about today. We talked about the triangle, we talked about the square, and we talked about the circle. And if you did not join us today for our Zoom meeting, what we did was when I drew the shape on a piece of paper, your friends went off into their house to see if they could find something that matched that shape. So I made a list of some of the things that we found today that matches that shape. The first shape that we talked about was a circle. And a circle, it is one continuous line. We've said before that a circle has no sides. It just has one continuous line. And some of the things, some of the words and items that we found today in our house that matched a circle was a ball. I know the words are backwards, sorry. A ball, a plate, a button, a pillow, a bottle bottom, a badge, a pancake, and a bracelet. So those are some of the items that we talked about and found in our house that dealt with a circle. And remember, a circle is one continuous line. Alright, so then the next shape that we did was the square. So here's the square. A square has 4 sides. And the special thing about a square is that all 4 sides of the square are equal. They're the same size, and it makes one perfect square. So some of the things that we've found that match the square was someone's TV was a square. Someone had a square tablet. Someone found a square small piece of paper and a square notebook. One of our friends had a crayon box that was squared, and a friend had a square pillow. So a square has 4 equal sides. They're all the same size. And then our last shape that we talked about today on Zoom, in our Zoom meeting, was the triangle. The triangle has 3 even sides, and it makes 3 points. Now it's kind of hard to find things in our house that were triangles, so we had to get creative. But someone did have a tube, like a chapstick tube, that looked like an upside down triangle. It was kind of like this, where it kind of came down to a point. It looked like an upside down triangle. And then we talked about some other things that were a triangle, like a pyramid. The roof of a house can sometimes look like a triangle. And we had to get real creative. And one of our friends, he said we could make a triangle with our hands. So we did. We made the triangle shape with our hands. So that was the 3 different shapes that we talked about today and had a little shape scavenger hunt. We also talked about the question of the day. The question of the day is, do you think a pancake can roll? And we had a really good discussion because some of our friends said yes, and some of our friends said no. One of our friends said yes, that you could take a pancake and you can roll it up and make a circle out of it, like kind of like a taco. But he said that you could roll a pancake up. But then some of our other friends said that you couldn't roll a pancake because it was flat. Some said it wasn't hard. So if you think about it, maybe you can roll a pancake. But then maybe you can't. It depends on what kind of pancake you have. Alright guys, thank you guys for joining us today. If you didn't, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you later.